Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Tips. Today I'm coming to you from Steamfest in Lisbon, Portugal. Pretty awesome being here again. But you might notice I do an awful lot of videos to talk about blockchain technology and pretty much how amazing it is. I mean, it's being called the best invention since the internet. And there's a reason why I've dedicated an entire YouTube channel to educate others on how it can change our lives. But wait just one moment. There's a new kid on the block. It's making a lot of noise with some bold claims. It's coming from a software platform called Swirlds, and they're bringing us Hashgraph technology.
Swirlds is labeling its Hashgraph technology as a radically different approach to distributed consensus. They're also claiming that this new approach will be able to solve scaling and security issues. So their Hashgraph technology uses a protocol called gossip about gossip. Despite what you may think, gossip is actually a well-known computer technology phrase that refers to how computers communicate with each other. The Hashgraph team describes it as calling any random node and telling that node everything you know that it does not know. In distributed ledger technology, the baseline or minimum bandwidth required is that the transactions go to every node. Gossip about gossip refers to attaching a small additional amount of information to this gossip, which contains the last person we talked to. Hence, we are gossiping about the information we gossip. Using this information, we can build the Hashgraph. So this is the key for how Hashgraph would be able to know exactly when consensus would be reached. Also, another aspect of the blockchain that Hashgraph is aiming to improve is the relative wastefulness of stale blocks, and also to radically reduce the computing power needed compared to things like proof of work and proof of stake.
There's no doubt that blockchain technology is a great step forward, but it is worth it to note that there is still room for improvement. Now, despite the fact that I'm finally starting to feel confident in my own knowledge of how blockchain technology works, I find myself eager to learn more ideas of how it can be improved upon.
Swirlds Hashgraph isn't the only platform that's focusing on changing how a blockchain can be tweaked. Byteball and other cryptos using DAGs are more or less on the same page in regards to their ideas for providing alternative options. So these are also called blockchain-free cryptocurrencies. The list of these types of cryptocurrencies include Byteball, as I mentioned before, IOTA, and DAG coin. So basically, a blockchain-free cryptocurrency is any distributed database that uses different tools to achieve essentially the same objectives as a blockchain. These different tools used include what are called DAGs. Now this stands for Directed Acyclic Graphs. Now, a quick Google search of this will show you an image of a DAG. Now, if you're like me and imagery tends to help you understand certain concepts, then take into account the context and imagery of a blockchain, and then compare it to the imagery of a DAG. It might be a bit easier for you to wrap your head around how DAGs can be faster and more efficient in certain ways. Now, I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm still working towards understanding this concept better, so I welcome anyone who can supplement with additional information on ways to break this down to please leave a comment down below so we can all learn more about it.
If this video piqued your interest, you can go ahead and browse the links I posted down below to learn more about Hashgraph technology, Swirlds platform, and DAGs. So that's all I have for you today on Crypto Tips. If you like what you see here, give this video a like. Share this one with your friends so you can spread the crypto knowledge. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe to get your weekly fix of all things crypto.